Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will walk you through how to use the TickTick app on your mobile device. TickTick is a great app for organizing tasks, setting reminders, and managing to-do lists. Let's get started. First of all, go to App Store, then search for TickTick and download the app. Once it's installed, open the app. If you don't already have an account, you will need to sign up using your email or sign in with your Google or Apple for quick access. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard where you can start creating tasks right away. Let's start by creating a new task. Tap the plus icon button at the bottom of the screen to open a new task window. Here you can type the name of your task. For example, finish reading project report. Below the task name, you will see options to add details like a deadline reminder and a priority label. I will set this task to be due tomorrow and add a reminder for the morning. TickTick makes it easy to stay on top of deadlines. Look, let's look at how to set up both due dates and reminders. After adding a task name, tap on the calendar icon to set a deadline. Choose the specific date and time you want. Next, tap on the reminder option. To set an alert, you can set a reminder for the same day or customize it to get notified hours, days, or even a week before. This is perfect for staying on top of important deadlines. TickTick also allows you to add multiple reminders for a single task, which is help if you need multiple alerts to keep you on track. Now let's talk about organizing your tasks. TickTick allows you to create different lists, which is useful if you want to separate work tasks from personal ones. On the main screen, you will see a new list option. Tap on it. Give the list a name like work or personal and save it. Once you create a list, you can assign specific tasks to it by selecting the list from the tasks window. One of TickTick's best features is the calendar view, which helps you see all your tasks at a glance. To access it, go to the button of the screen and tap calendar. Here you will see your tasks organized by day and week. This view is perfect for visualizing your week and identifying any busy days. You can tap on any day to see a breakdown of tasks and deadlines, which is great for planning ahead. TickTick syncs your tasks across all devices so you can access your to-do list from your phone, tablet, or computer. Just make sure you are signed in with the same account on each device, and your lists will update automatically. This cross device feature is perfect if you like to work on your phone but also want to view tasks on a larger screen when you are at your desk. Finally, let's take a quick look at the settings. Go to settings in the app to customize your experience. Here you can adjust your notification sounds, set priority label. You can also tweak your notification preferences to make sure you get alert only when you need them, so your phone doesn't become overwhelming overwhelming with task notifications. And that's it. You now know the basics of using TickTick on your mobile device where you are managing work tasks and personal goals. TickTick is a powerful tool to stay organized and productive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and productivity apps. Thanks for watching and see you next time.